Hi boys and girls, this week in IPC we are learning about ancient Egypt, and this was Egypt many years ago. Egypt is here in Africa. So which continent is Egypt in? It's in Africa. This is a map of Egypt. Note how the towns are mostly situated by the river. This river is called the River Nile. Why do you think the towns are all beside the river? It's beside the river because they would use it in everyday life, and the ground was much more fertile so they could grow plants and crops. Do you think this would have been much different in ancient Egypt? The ancient Egyptians lived from around 5,000 years ago. They settled by the River Nile for its flooding that happened every year and fertilized the soil around it. They worshipped many gods in their world. The ancient Egyptians left behind some great monuments and buildings that can still be seen today, such as the pyramids. Here's a picture of the pyramids now, and we've just learned about them in our 3D shapes in math. So they come from ancient Egypt. For 3,000 years, the people of ancient Egypt were ruled by pharaohs, and a pharaoh is pretty much a king or a queen. The pharaohs were seen as living gods, so people often worship the pharaohs. One of the most well-known pharaohs is called Tutankhamun. His tomb was discovered by the famous archaeologist Howard Carter, and this was one of the richest finds in history because there was lots of treasures in the tomb of Tutankhamun. So remember, a pharaoh is a king or a queen. Here is Tutankhamun, that's his casket, and there were lots of treasures inside. Look at the details in the picture. Can you tell an adult what you can see? The end. So after watching this PowerPoint, you're going to complete your task on Seesaw.